Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're in a whole new month of subject matter, and oh, do we have a great month planned for you. So I won't take up any of Victoria's time. She's going to launch us with our Monday compass. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We're starting again. Whole new module, whole new topic. So, as a quick overview for the compass, here's what we're going to do. We've already talked about the protagonist, who is your main forward moving character. Your protagonist has a full character arc and generally carries the story. Then we talked about our villain. Our villain is their main confrontational point in the story. Often, as we said, those two people counterpoint each other. So when we get to the map tomorrow, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of the antagonist, because no spoilers, but there are some things about the antagonist that you need to know, because the antagonist isn't who you think they are. So we'll get into that tomorrow, but for now, I will throw it over to Kathleen for her compass.
All right. Well, our compass, of course, is where we just give you a brief overview of what we're going to cover this week. Well, this week we're going to cover a whole new character trait. Last month, we talked about humility, which is how the character copes with things that happen to him or have been given to him as a package that he has no control over. Well, we're going to look at its very closely related character trait this time, honesty. And we're going to study that in a little bit of definitional depth, because just as Victoria has warned you that the antagonist isn't the same as the villain, honesty isn't quite what you think it is either. So you're going to have to wait till tomorrow on the map day to find out what am I talking about? So come on back tomorrow for the map day. Victoria, anything to add?
Nope, this is going to be a good one. As always, we fit together perfectly, so this is going to be great fun. We're going to get into some bad dudes.
Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.